All right, it's Tan House, and I'm reacting to Trueno Dance CRIP video Oficial. I know it's Spanish, if I remember right. He might be Portuguese, but I think it's Spanish that he speaks, and I remember that he has a really good flow. Dance CRIP is the name of the song, so I'm imagining it means dance gangsta. I don't really know. I'm old, graybeard, but let's get into it. But I recognize this beat. Bum, bum, bum. I said a hip hop, the hip hop, and you don't stop the rock. Oh, come on. It can't be Rapper's Delight. Yes, I can. Nice. He's playing homage. Paying. Wow, I said playing. I like this. He looks really young to me, so the fact that he even knows this song exists is kind of surprising, but it's nice. Talk that shit. We call him for the salsa. I don't know what he's saying for the most part, but his flow is freaking amazing, and it fits perfectly with this beat. I love the old school 80s beats. It's just nice. The real dance crib, la cara de los hombres en el país, es el duro más pegado, what the fuck is this? Si tu número contado ni eres fofo, mami al bozaro soy yo. Ya saben quién, el mundo entero me oyó. Ya saben quién, fofo, en el carro soy yo. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? Oh, nice. It definitely has the Sugar Hill Gang feel to it. Though those guys in the background, I'm assuming they're probably famous wherever he's from. They have the look like they are probably my age, so they know what this is. Specifically the yellow and white shirt guys. I love the look of Adidas in other countries. It's nice here, but it's nowhere near as nice as they make for other countries. Probably because we're just not as much of a soccer country. It's dope as hell. Oh shit. That was dope. We're watching it again. Watch this. How that video does that is just... I probably did that backwards on your screen. It don't matter. It's got that block party feel. Oh, man. A crip walk. What does that mean? Wait, what did he just throw? Sorry. Oh, it's a lighter. Nice. This is a fun song. This guy's flow is ridiculously good. I don't know the words though, so I don't know how well his writing is, but it sounds like it's amazing just by the fact that the flow hits the beat perfectly. I love that it does the callback to the old school beat, and honestly, it just makes me smile and want to dance. I think he should probably do it on a Montel Jordan beat too. The "This is how we do it." It would just be awesome. Anyway, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that other stuff. You know what it is. Bye-bye.